Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. So we have the integral of the square root of x minus x squared dx. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to put about number 2 multiply with 1 over 2. So in here we need to have 1 over 4. Later that we need to minus 1 over 4. Next, we put 1 over 4 in here, negative 1 over 4 in here. Later that we close the bracket. So we change the sign this one and this one. Next, this one we can put about x minus 1 over 2 everything to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So this one we can put about 1 over 2 sine t dx equal to 1 over 2 cosine t dt. This one we change for this one. Dx we change for this one. So you got about 1 over 4 sine t squared. Next, we put 1 over 4 outside the square root. So you got about 1 over 2. 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2, you got about 1 over 4. Next, we have sine t squared plus cosine t squared equal to number 1. So we got about 1 minus sine t squared. Equal to cosine t squared. We put this one in here. The square root of cosine t squared, you got about cosine t. Cosine t and cosine t, you got about cosine t squared. Next, we have cosine t squared equal to 1 plus cosine 2t over 2. So we put this one in here. Four multiplied with number 2, you got about 8. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of number 1, you got about t. The integral of cosine 2t, you got about 1 over 2 sine 2t. About t, we need to change back to this one. So we multiply both sides with number 2. And now you got about t equal to r sine of 2x minus 1. We put this one in here. This is the final answer. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.